We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Happy Vlogmas, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I am here in the editing suite as we speak, just getting cozy for the start of our take on Vlogmas. So we are going to bring you 10 days/nights of holiday cheer from now until Christmas, or what we celebrate in this house is Sammas as well, because Sam was born on Christmas. So I just wanted to say thank you again for coming by. I hope you all had a beautiful Thanksgiving with family and friends. We kept it pretty low key around here, just watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade while Sam finished the last little touches on her famous sweet potato casserole. And let me tell you, do not sleep on this Costco turkey dinner situation. This is going to be my go-to for many holidays in the future. It was such a good deal. Less than $40, would have fed an entire family of 4 to 6 realistically. Now we did add on some things like the honey baked ham and the mac and cheese, but I will tell you what, this was a good deal. So Costco, head there for your next dinner if you don't feel like cooking it yourself. And it just ain't Thanksgiving without that good leftover sandwich. This with some sour cream and cheddar ruffles and a cherry coke. Your movie maven and I will be back tomorrow, and we hope to see you there. Please like, subscribe, and share.